to be doing is use base 10 blocks and model 156 shared equally among 6 groups. So how we're going to write this is we're going to do 156 divided by 6. Now, using this, how many hundreds do we have? Who knows? How many hundreds? Kate.
1.
We have 1 100. Now, if we have 1 100, can you put that into 6 groups?
No.
You can't put that into 6 groups. We'll have to break it up. So if you come over here, you guys know that, we'll bring it down. We have this 100. We need to break this up into the 10 columns so that we would be able to split them up into the groups. So what we're going to do is now that we broke this up, we have 10 tens, but we still had the original 5 from 56. So how many tens do we have in total, Brad?
15.
15. So we have 15 total. So now what I'm going to do is we're going to break up these tens into the groups down here. So we're going to start, and we're just going to put 1 in each column, or 1 in each group. Now, up at the top, after you put 1 in each group, I want you guys to color in the 10 that we used so we know that we've used it.
I should color it in. Like just shade it in.
Yep, just shade it in, just color it in. Now, I just put 1 in each group. So how many do I have left to use? Just heard me. You're doing all the answers today.
4.
4. So we have 4 left, but that's only in the hundreds. But what about in total?
9.
9. We have 9 left in total. Do we have enough to go through again in our 6 groups?
Yes.
Yes, we do. So we're going to do it again. So we're going to put 1 in each group. Remember, we're going to shade in up here to show that we've used them.
Now we shade out everything.
Okay, now that I put 2 in each group, how many do I have left, Asia?
3.
I have 3 left. Can I do it again?
No. Yeah.
No. So now I have these 3 tens left.
Split up in 1.
So how many did I have in each group? Who wants to come up and write up how many we have in each group? Brad. Good. So now we have 2 tens in each group. Now there are how many tens left over that we had? You just answer that so you can come up with it in there. So it's just 3, because there's 3 tens. So 3 tens left over. Now, just like we were talking before with the 100, what do we need to do to the 3 tens so we can use them, Kat? Or Kate?
Trade them.
Trade them. So we're going to take the 3 tens, we put 3 tens, and we're going to trade them in for 30 ones. So now we have 30 ones in total. So if we look back over here, now we just have the individual squares and we have these individual squares. So in total, how many do I have now that I split these up? Matt?
36.
I have 36 in total. So now I'm going to divide these into the 6 groups. So we're going to go through one time. We have 1. Now I just put 1 in each box. So now we need to go up here. And you guys have to know and color in how many we used. So if I was going to be down here and I saw that we put 1 in each box, how could I figure out that we put 1 in each box? I could do 1 plus 1 plus 1, or how else could I do it? How else could I do it?
You could multiply.
I could multiply. So I can do 6 times 1 to know that I need to color in 6 of these.
To check your work, could you do like 6 times weight?
Could I do what?
Oh wait, never mind.
Okay, so now that we have the 6 that we just used, how many ones do I have left to use? How many ones do I have left?
In all?
Yeah, so in all, how many do I have left to use? We had 36 to start out with, and we just used 6.
And you have 30.
And we have 30 left. So can I do it again?
Yes.
Yes, so we're gonna do it again. So you're just gonna put 1 in each group. And then we get to color them in. Now how many do we have left, Matt?
24.
Good, so we have 24 left. Can we do it again, Matt?
Yep.
Yep, so we're gonna put 1 more in each. And we color those in. Okay, now how many do I have left? We have the same hands. I want to see some other hands. Tyler, how many do we have left?
18.
18. Can I do it again, Tyler?
Yeah.
Yep. So we're going to start. Just put them in. Then we color in the ones that we used. Now if we stop right here and we look at our groups and we see that we put 4 in one group, what is the simplest way or the fastest way I can figure out how many are in all the groups all together right now? What could I do? What could I do?
Do it. So far you got 12.
So if I have 4 in this group and I have 6 groups all together, what could I do? I could do 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, right?
Yeah.
Or what else could I do instead? Need some help?
12 plus.
We don't have 12, we just have 4. So let's see, who can help? Hunter.
You can multiply.
You can multiply. So if we have 4 groups and we have 6 groups and there's 4 in each group, you just do 4 times 6 to figure out how much are in there.
25.
Now, how many do we have left to use? How many up there do we have left to use? How many do we have left?
12.
We have 12 left. So now that we have 12 left, we can do it one more time. So we're going to put them all the way through and then color in what you've used. Now this is really easy if you look up there. How many do we have left?
6.
Do we have enough?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to do it one last time. We're going to color it in. Okay, so how many ones did we just divide or did we just put in all of these? So how many ones do we have in total that we just put in these? How many ones? 6 in total. I want all of them. 36. I'm kind of write 36 in that first blank right up there. Because we shared the 36 ones. And we share them among the 6 equal groups. So how many ones are in each group now? How many?
6.
Do I come up and write 6? Now, did we have any left over? No, so there's no remainder. So you guys can color that in. There are no remainder. So